You can make good money selling coloring pages on Etsy or any of the digital product platforms. These products are trending right now, and this is because this is the World Cup season. As you can see, when we search on Etsy, you can see that a lot of coloring pages that is World Cup theme is trending right now. You can see the first page on the Etsy search bar is literally popular, 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 popular. And this is simply because World Cup theme coloring pages are literally trending now on Etsy, on any digital platform, because you don't have to just sell it on Etsy. You could literally take this up, package it together, and sell it on your link on bio or even on Instagram or social media. I am going to be showing you briefly how to create these coloring pages using only ChatGPT. Okay, now, like I said, look at these coloring pages. This is literally just 3 PDF and it's sold for this amount. At the time of making this video, right, this product is on demand, as you can see, because there are 13 of these in the basket. That means 13 persons have put this product in their basket and they are ready to buy it. This is also same for this product. This is very regular, and guess what? It is selling fast. It is one of the trending popular product on Etsy. And at this moment, 17 persons have added this product in their basket and they are going to be buying it, obviously, right? So I am going to be showing you how to create this product, and all you need to create this product is a prompt and ChatGPT, and I'll be showing you exactly how to do this. Now, let me go on ChatGPT. This is ChatGPT, right? I'm going to be putting this prompt on ChatGPT, and I'm going to ask it to create this for me. Now, the prompt say create a black and white printable World Cup themed coloring page. Main instruction: a large football stadium scene with cheering fans, two football players in action, a big soccer ball, a champion trophy at the center, add banners, stars, confetti, and streamers. Include a scoreboard area at the top with the text World Cup final. Add small side doodles like whistles, boots, flags, and foam fingers. Make the page rich, exciting, relaxing to color, and balanced with plenty of detail and white space. So we are going to be putting this prompt on in ChatGPT and press enter. And so we wait and see what it's going to do. So we are going to pick this product, right? And then it is going to be packaged, and we're going to package this as a PDF file, okay? And it's ready to sell. And I will be showing you how to convert this into a PDF file. If you have an Etsy store, you literally don't need a lot of drama. As long as you're focused and niche as much as you can, right? Of course, put your ears down as to what's trending. That is why I love coloring pages. Coloring pages or coloring page products can fit into any niche. So whatever niche your shop is into, wedding, children, think of any niche right now, right? You could include coloring pages to it, right? And it is always, always trending. Now look at this. So we have our image here, right? This is looking good. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to download this, okay? So it's asking me to choose which I prefer. I prefer this response. You can also go for both, right? See, you have both. So yeah, my ChatGPT is really very exceptional today. It's in the mood to give me options. Sometimes it doesn't. So what we're going to do now is click on download, right? The download button is just here. You click on download and you have your product. That is one. This is how you're going to create your coloring page. You're going to download that product. Now, you can ask ChatGPT to convert this product to a PDF, right? And then when you convert it to a PDF, you package it, include it on your digital product, right? And then you sell it. That's it, guys. That is literally it. And if you have an Etsy store, all you need to do is you can literally just take this exact image that ChatGPT have created and you put it like this. This person literally just picked this image, put this image. This seller has only this image, no additional image, and they have 17 in the basket. It's selling real fast. Okay, so this is your sign to create a digital product right now. Create coloring pages, World Cup coloring pages for the season because it is trending right now. So you do that and you're good to go. So you can also, maybe create another one, right? So we'll put in the prompts and then let's see what is coming up. Now, if you want the prompts that I used to create this coloring page, I have a prompt pack and you're going to also be finding it in the description. So you can grab that also. Okay, this is it. World Cup search, word search. This is also trending right now. All I did was just put in the prompt and it generated this. And you know the beautiful part about this prompt pack? You can use the prompt pack on your preferred AI tool. So you can use it on was that Claude AI. You can use it on Gemini. You can use it on ChatGPT. The beautiful thing with AI is that you put in the same prompt, and the likelihood of getting different results is very high. So I could put in the same prompt on Gemini or Cloud AI, and it's going to give me different page, which is beautiful. That way, you also have options, right? And that way, anyone using this prompt is not going to have the exact product to sell, right? So it gives you variety. You really want to grab this prompt, right? Because they are already trending prompts put together for this season, and you want to grab it now so you don't miss the opportunity. And of course, you can always use it for any World Cup, season to come. Also, the beautiful part about the prompts, right? I have I've made it in a PDF and a Word document file version so that you can just copy and paste. Okay, you can copy. You have options to copy and paste. So I've made that available. But like I said, I have 20 prompts that you can grab and play with it. Do your thing. Okay, let's do one more. So I'm going to take this prompt and I'm going to put it here and let's see what it comes up with. Yeah, we have something. Ooh, look at this. Look at this. So you see, this is what we have. Okay, and that's it. This is a beautiful activities to give to your children, your grandkids, or even yourself in this season. Like this is beautiful, especially for homeschooling, right? You want to talk to them about the season, the World Cup season. This is another way you can inculcate this into your plan or your curriculum and all that. So yes, this is how you can easily create coloring pages and sell just a prompt and ChatGPT, and you're good to go. I will be linking my Facebook group. I have a Facebook group, right, where I literally just give free prompts. You might want to join that, right? You're going to get free prompt, and then with this prompt, you can generate your products. You can sell them if you want with the prompt. Okay, I'll be linking that in the description. You can also follow me on Instagram because then you'll be getting updates on what is happening and products available for you. That will be helpful to your digital product business. Yes, so this is the prompt pack. You get 20 prompts that you can customize, right? Now, I am also giving a discount for this. You get, if you use the promo code COP40, you get 40% off this one, right? Remember, the printable, ready to print coloring page, that one you're getting for free. You're getting 100% off, so it's for free. But for the prompts, right, you'll be getting 40% off. That's less than $5, right? With this product, you can make way more from the prompts. Okay, I've just shown you how. Let me show you again how this person is selling this product, and there's 17 already in the basket. Do the maths. This person is selling for about $2, right? And this is 13 in the basket. So do the maths. And this is 13 within 24 hours, right? It's a trending product. Please grab this opportunity and start creating your product. Okay. Whatever you're doing, create World Cup team digital product coloring pages and start selling now, because this is what is trending on Etsy and you do not want to miss it. Whether you want to sell on Gumroad, Etsy, on Facebook. A lot of people are making money on Facebook, right? On Facebook, on your link in bio, whatever platform that you are selling your digital product. Please make sure that you are making digital products now that has to do with World Cup. You can also make this into print on demand, printable coloring book, right? You can convert this to a coloring book and sell. Literally, I have one that is currently selling in my store. You might want to do the same right now. So do not sleep on it, okay? This is a trending product. This is a popular product and this is a bestseller product. So please don't sleep on this product right now. Okay, you can see popular, popular, popular. Everything here is popular. Can you see popular, 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 popular? Okay, so that'll be all for now. And I hope you found these tutorials very helpful. If you have any question, I'll be happy to answer your question in the comment section. You can DM me on Instagram. You're going to find all the information in the description. I think it's faster if you DM me on Instagram. Okay, so send me a DM on Instagram. Also follow the Facebook groups. Follow the Facebook groups, right? I'm going to be putting all of them, linking all of them in the instruction. It literally costs you nothing to follow these groups and you're going to get value. So please follow the groups, okay? That'll be all for now. And I will see you in the next live stream. Bye.